Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Amani Matthew. I am from St. Matthew's High School, Eidi Bajar, Hyderabad. My topic is some major political changes in India during 1947 to 1977. Dear students, today we will discuss some of the important major changes that occurred during 1947 to 1977 in India. As everyone know, we got independence on 15th August 1947 and then India was made republic on 26 January 1950. In the early years of independence, the main challenges that India was facing was to maintain unity and integrity. For the above, we needed to bring about a social and economic transformation. Secondly, to ensure a successful working of a democratic system. India adopted a law by name Universal Adult Franchise for elections. A large sections of the people were illiterate, so symbol was used to represent political parties. Also, women were given equal rights as a part of social equality. Election Commission was set up. India was ready for its first general election for the tenure of 1952 to 57. As a lack of opposition, a single majority party won the major seats in the election and formed a government in the central and the state. The party was INC, that is Indian National Congress, led by first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The first challenges of the party was to reorganize the state on the basis of languages. In 1953, the government created 14 states and 6 union territories, the basis of linguistic principle. One more major challenge was to improve the economy of the country, as agriculture was the major source income for the country. The planning commission was set up and a 5-year plan to focus on agriculture was set up. INC, Indian National Congress tenure prolonged 1952 to 1967. A big transition came in India 1967 election. Many regional parties came into power. It clearly shows India was moving towards a multi-party system. Opposition were united under the leadership of Jayaprakash Narayan, has given the name of JP movement. This movement forced the Prime Minister of Indira Gandhi to impose the first emergency in the country. So, however, India had a setback when it had to face war with Pakistan in 1948 over Kashmir issue, and in 1962 with China, and again with Pakistan in 1971 for the Bangladesh liberation. A major act was passed in Parliament 1963. Official language act and Hindi was imposed in all the states. Anyway, today I would like to put some of the achievements during this period. During this period, stable democracy was achieved, multi-party system encouraged, free and fair elections were conducted, bureaucratic neutrality with foreign countries, maintaining its unity and integrity, setting up planning commission, self-sufficient food production, good industrial base was set up. India focused its education system in different languages during considering all the state. Thank you very much.